How to increase the bass on Spotify for Android and iPhone users. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to increase your bass on Spotify, here is how you can do it. So first and foremost, you have to make sure you have the latest version of Spotify installed. In order to confirm it, head over to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device type. Then search for Spotify Music and Podcasts. After that, tap on the update button if it's available, or else you can just open the application. Once that is done, you will land to the home page. Now tap on your profile, which is on the top left corner. In some cases, you might also see the settings or gear icon directly. Tap on it. If not, tap on settings and privacy. And after that, you reach to this page, tap on playback. Here are different track transitions and listening controls. Scroll down until you find Equalizer, which is present as a subheading on listening controls. Tap on OK button and it will go to another page. For a quick boost, you can select the bass booster preset or you could select mega bass as well. There are different options that you can customize from. Select on equalizer and then from there you can manually adjust the frequency sliders. Focus on frequencies between the 60 and 250 Hz to enhance the bass. Make sure to drag the relevant sliders to tweak the sound to your preference. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.